Hey everybody, today we're in a Honda CR-V. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 856010. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here and here. You'll want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount to the vehicle. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount's going to attach into two seams, basically above and below this grill that stretches all the way across the dash here. So where that grill meets this lower plastic piece, that's going to be our first seam. And then where the grill meets this upper plastic piece, that's going to be our upper seam. The first thing you want to do, figure out where you're going to put it, and then you'll take the included L-shaped gap opener, and you're just going to use that to just gently open up the upper seam a little bit. Then we're going to take the mount, and we're going to take the lower lip, and that's going to go into the bottom seam. And that should just slip right in, and you'll want to hold it in place, and then you can push on the face with your thumb. And the back should just pop into place. You might need to just wiggle it in with your finger. Then you take the gap opener out, and now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.